Yo, 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 welcome back to Rep the Step here on Real People, Real Content with your boy, Arius West. You can call me Arius. It's like Darius with no D. Or like Aquarius without the aqua. You get it. Just don't call me Aries. It's Arius. Alright. Today we are going to be learning a basic dance combination. Now, with this basic dance combination, we're going to be utilizing a few things that we've learned in some of the past videos for Rep the Step. Hopefully you've been tuning in each week, but if you haven't, that is okay, because this dance combination is definitely for you. Whether you've danced before, or haven't danced ever, or if you're not good at dancing, or you are great at dancing, or beginner, it does not matter. This basic dance combination is for you. Alright? Let's dive in. First, you should know that this basic dance combination can go to any song you like. You just got to choose a tempo that you can dance to. So if this dance combination is a little difficult for you, don't choose a fast song. You might want to do a little slower song and try it to that one, okay? Alright. Now first off, you need to have your legs neutral and kind of have your knees bent so you don't hurt yourself. And the first two counts, you're going to be pulling yourself forward. So you're going to take your arms and place them in front of you, and you're going to take your left leg and step and pull. And that's going to be for 2 counts, all right? So it'll be 1, 2. Literally, that's it. It's kind of a slide, so it's like a 1, 2. Let's try that again. Arms out in front of you and pull. 1, 2. And then you're going to utilize something that we learned earlier this week. If you can remember, we talked about some hip-hop basics. And one of the things we learned was a step sequence. Remember, we used our toes to step in front of us and behind us and to the side and to the diagonal. Remember that? Well, we're going to be stepping out to the side on that next move. So, after you pull 1, 2, you're going to step out to the side for 3, 4. You literally just step out on your toes, out to the right, arms and palms spaced out, and back to the middle. Okay? And when you're doing this, the things you should be thinking in your head is like, what? Like you're trying to scare someone almost. So let's look at that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's think about some textures. Remember, we have sharp and smooth. That's going to be going to the left and right on the smooth texture. Left, right. So right after you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, even though we're also thinking about that texture smooth for 5, 6, and 7, and 8, also think about some of the previous videos that you've watched about your personal sauce. You remember that? Add some personality in that snake that you're doing while you're being smooth. You could be like, ooh, ooh, or if you got long hair, you might want to use your hair to do the snake on the 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you kind of like doing the body roll, you can body roll on 5, 6, 7, 8. I really want your smooth texture to be your personal sauce. Add some sauce there. So let's review from the beginning, okay? Take it nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Let's try that again. A little faster this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you guys are ready to move on. So, you've just snaked 5, 6, 7, 8. Right after that, you're going to cross your legs on 1 with the right in the front. Again, you snaked 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross your legs with the right in the front. 1. Spin around on 2. And the arms come up on 3. Yeah? 3, 4. Now let's take that really slow. When you cross your legs here on 1, all you have to do is unwind your legs for 2. 2. Your legs are automatically going to end in the position with your left foot in front and your right foot in the back. On 3 and 4, you are pumping your chest, but also with your arms. So take your arms in front of you, nice and strong, and pull, but poke your chest out at the same time. 1, 2. Or on the proper numbers, it'll be 3, 4. So let's try that whole thing again. We just snaked. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross your feet with the right in front on 1. Spin on 2. Pump on 3, 4. So, here's a bit of a review. We just did snake on 5, 6, 7, 8. We cross our feet with the right in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this part is probably the hardest and the trickiest, especially if you're a beginner dancer. It's going to be on the and count. Now, what in the heck is an and count, Arius? You didn't tell us about this. You only told us about the up count and the down count, the 1, 2, 3, 4, not the 1 and 2. And you didn't tell us about the and counts. I'm sorry. The and count is just in between each number. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. In between that, you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? So if we just did, starting after our snake, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I just crisscrossed into a what groove? A drop groove. Hopefully, if you were watching in our previous episodes, I talked about some hip-hop basics, including your grooves that you should know. There's an up groove, there's a down groove, there's a bounce groove, and there's a drop groove. So right after you pump your chest, 3, 4, right after on that and 5, I want to see you and drop right on that number 5. And then here, again, add your own personal sauce for 2 counts. You'll go and 5, 6. Those are your 2 counts. That's all you get for your personal sauce. It can be and 5, 6 for the ladies with long hair. It can be and 5, 6 for people who are extra and want to be weird. It doesn't matter. That's your own personal style and your own personal sauce. Yeah? So let's review one more time. We're almost finished, you guys. We just snaked 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6. And to finish it off, we're going to review our textures. Instead of doing smooth, we're going to do sharp. You get 2 sharp poses for 7, 8. We just did 5, 6, and I want to see sharp poses, 7, 8. And that is going to finish the combo, you guys. All right? So let's review this whole second part nice and slow. We just did our snakes, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Sharp, sharp. All right, you guys, here is the moment of truth. I want you to put all 2 8 counts together. Okay? Take your time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Give yourself a round of applause, but not too quick. You don't get a pat on the back. Try it a little faster. All right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Just in case I didn't mention before, this is a basic dance combination, so you can choose any song that you want. any song. And again, I think it's best to choose a slow song to start off with, and as you get more comfortable with this basic dance combination, you can choose a faster song or one of your more preferred songs or your favorite song even. Alright, you guys, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in this week with Rep the Step here on Real People, Real Content. If you would like to follow us on any of our social media, please look in the description below. Also, if you like this week's video, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell, and I'm going to catch you guys out. Please, please, please